Greetings travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Paris Part 2. Our list will be other popular suggestions besides the Eiffel Tower, since the tower has been the very obvious choice. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check out our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one top choice of top place to visit in Paris will be the Palace of Versailles. Was the principal royal residence of France from 1682 until the start of French Revolution in 1789, located in the department of Yvelines, in the region and province of Ile-de-France, about 20 kilometers from downtown Paris. The palace, now a historical monument and UNESCO World Heritage Site, notable especially for the ceremonial Hall of Mirrors. The Petit Trianon, located within the park. A small, rustic hamlet created for Marie Antoinette. And Garden of Versailles, with fountain and flower beds. The palace was stripped of all its furnishings after the French Revolution, but many pieces have been restored. When Napoleon Bonaparte became Emperor of France, he considered making Versailles his residence, but abandoned the idea because of the cost of renovation. The Palace of Versailles is owned by the French state. Since 1995, it has been run as a public establishment with an independent administration and management, supervised by the French Ministry of Culture. Our top number 2 place to visit while in Paris will be the Louvre Pyramid. It's a large glass and metal pyramid designed by IMK, surrounded by 3 smaller pyramids. The large pyramid serves as the main entrance to the Louvre. The pyramid and the underground lobby beneath were created because of deficiency with the Louvre earlier layout. Visitors entering through the pyramid can descend into the spacious lobby, then ascend into the main Louvre building. Our top 3rd choice will be the Grand Palais de Champs-Élysées. It's an exhibition hall and museum compound located in Champs-Élysées in the 8th arrondissement of Paris, France. The construction of this Grand Palace began in 1897 and has been listed since the year 2000 as a historical monument by the French Ministry of Culture. Its original purpose is to host artistic events in the city. The main space has large transparent structure inspired by the London's Crystal Palace. The exterior of the palace holds a number of statues, including by bronze sculptor Georges Racipon on each wing of the main facade. The one on the Champs-Élysées depicts immortality. The one on the Seine depicts harmony triumphing over discord. Since the palace opening on 1st May 1900, the palace has hosted the most prestigious art exhibition and shows. The west wing of the palace contains a science museum. The palace was the host of 2010 World Fencing Championship and will again be the host of 2024 Olympic Games for fencing and taekwondo. Number 4, Place Vendôme. Place Vendôme is a square in the 1st arrondissement of Paris, France, located to the north of the Tuileries Garden and east of the Emblée de la Madeleine. The original Vendôme at the center of the square was erected by Napoleon to commemorate the Battle of Austerlitz was later torn down by the decree of Paris Commune, but later on re-erected again and remains a prominent feature on the square. The palace has been renowned for its fashionable hotels such as Ritz, with many famous dress designers boutique, including Charvet. The store has been on the Place Vendôme since 1877. Also the office of the Ministry of Justice and Paris office of J.P. Morgan. Place Vendôme was a 1998 movie setting by Nicole Garcia starring Kathleen Deneuve. Our number 5 topic will be Chateau of Vincennes, a massive 14th century French royal fortress. Has its origin as a hunting lodge constructed for Louis VII about 1150. The castle forms a rectangular perimeter more than a kilometer in length. It has 6 towers and 3 gates. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other video and our Instagram ScenicGeek. Until next time, bye!